Time for another update. So this week I've been working on this piece pretty much. 3 days so far on the weaving. And I ran out of black reed, so today I did dyeing of black reed in number 2 and number 2 round in turquoise so that I can finish weaving this piece and move on to the next part. Let's see, all the other weaving is done. I had an accident today. I have arthritis in my hands, and I also have a numbness in my left hand, and I picked up this piece, only I didn't really have a hold of it when I thought I did, and so it fell on the ground and it shattered. And this is what happened right here. The whole thing just came apart. I got a lot of work in this piece, so it's upsetting, but it just shows that there is fragility with these pieces. It's kind of like ceramics or glass. You drop it, it's going to break. And especially when I do a lot of the filigree work, which is what I really like to do, but I have to take that into consideration, that the handling of these have to be done carefully. And if you have issues like I do, sometimes, unfortunately, this happens. So that's the end of that piece. But on another note, I mean, we're moving ahead. I would say by next week, I will be putting the rims on, doing rim work, which is all these pieces will have like philodendron sheaths or pine needles or date palm seed stems, something like that. I have other materials, Draxenia, so we'll see where I go with that. I don't think I have any others. Maybe the big one. I may put something around the top on this one, and then this one here, this is another one I tore apart because I didn't like the way the weaving was on it, so I'm going to be redoing that one tomorrow. This material here, I really like. It's recycled saris, Indian silk saris that's turned into a ribbon, and you can get all different colors. This is tie-dyed cotton that's tie-dyed into ribbons. Turned that into a ball of yarn sort of last night because it's easier for me to work with it. And this piece over here, I am sewing gourd seeds on along the top of it. And I sprayed some more today that I had drilled the holes in. And in doing so, I realized there's too much of a difference between these and the ones that I was using before. So I'm going to take all of the dark out. The holes that were drilled into it are smaller, so we've got an inconsistency on here, and I don't like that. So I will be taking all of that out and redoing it. And that's where I stand at this point. Have a good evening, everyone. Stay safe.